Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we will be showing you what the Make Money 2.0 is, how it works, how to earn from it, and even a live withdrawal from it. So if you want to learn more about it, continue watching to the end of this video and you will be able to learn everything about it. So let's get into the video. So in the Make Money 2.0, that's actually ClickATM, link is in the description of this video. You actually have the lucky wheel and the daily check-in. To actually do the lucky wheel, you have to complete the manual tasks. Then the daily check-in requires you to complete either manual tasks and upload group. Okay, so I'll actually explain what is manual tax. Manual tax is the old and default group tax. It is a tax whereby you'll be given certain numbers to add to a group created by you on WhatsApp. While the upload group is a different tax and is actually quite easy, I must say. So upload group actually pays you by the number of, so let me just first explain it. Upload group tax, it is requiring you to get the group link, the invite link of a group, and when you click on start mission, you'll be able to paste in the invite link of a group. All right, so when you paste it in, you submit it. So the thing is that the AI checks how many users are in that group and pays you in return for the amount of users in the group. And yes, this is actually okay, but any group you are pasting here, just know that that group will be spammed. Yeah, so I tested it with a testing group and they would continually send messages joining with other numbers, keep on spamming the group. So just be careful on the group you add in. Then also you can actually add in groups here to the upload group section, and it's actually okay. It's an easy way to earn. So you can notice it that if you have a group of 400 members, you'll be paid back 400 coins back. That's how it works. Sometimes you might not be paid that 400 coins, you might be paid like 30 something or 350. You know, it's just going to be similar to 400, the 400 users, but not exactly the 400 users. So yes, but it's just that when you are submitting the group link, make sure that the group is open. It does not require admin to approve the person that is joining, and also it has users, because it depends on the users it has. That's how you get paid back in money. Yeah, and also now over here you don't get paid in TRX again. You get paid in coins, not Bitcoin. You get paid in coins. So these coins can be withdrawn to your local bank. Okay, so for me, I would say that if you are a WhatsApp celebrity, that means you're in more than 30 groups. I would say why not just pick out 15 out of the groups and you should be able to withdraw. It's just that simple and it's easy. And the third way is to invite friends. It's just that the friends you invite has to perform one of these two tasks or invite another friend that has to do this, and keep on the loop. Okay, so you earn 20% commission from each friend that join using your link. That is, if your friend earned 1000 coins, you earn 200 coins. Yeah, okay, so to get your referral code, just go over to this team and you see your referral code. Yeah, so just it. We hope for new ways of making money that doesn't require WhatsApp at all, probably Telegram or even another application that isn't rate limited as WhatsApp. And also there's this VIP. So VIP 1, I'm not sure but it was around 100 coins that time, or 15, but I've forgotten. But I actually passed. I'm close to VIP 4 now, but I'm in VIP 3. So in VIP 4 you'll be earning free 2 lucky wheels per day, but till then you are in VIP 3 or VIP 1. So you can actually test it out, but I don't need to show you guys. Just paste in the group link and submit it, and it will automatically go through it, and yes, and just tell you it. And yes, you can only post a group link once. Don't post it 2 times, else you will not earn anything on top of the second one. So okay, let's go back to our account, click on withdraw. Just as you know, this is 1600, And then yes, you just add up your bank account. So add it up, and I'll put in all my details and get back to you guys. Right. So I've actually added the account details. So I'll just click on withdraw immediately, and then I'll put in that I'm withdrawing 2,000 gold coins. Okay, confirm withdrawal, operation completed. So all my coins have actually been placed on withdrawals. So I'm supposed to, it's going to be in progress. I'll receive it within the next 5 to 10 minutes and get back to you guys. So it took me 2 days to find this out, but when I kept on trying the withdrawal, it kept on bouncing back. But I finally was able to withdraw. And yes, you are not supposed to use OPay or PalmPay. You're not supposed to use microfinance banks. Use the local banks like UPA, First Bank, and any of those banks in Nigeria to withdraw the money. And 2,000 gold coins is actually 1,600 naira. So yes, it actually did drop immediately when I withdrew to UPA. So yeah, if this might help you, you might just check out your balance, and if you have enough, just withdraw to a local bank, not a microfinance bank, right? So thank you for watching. If you found the video helpful, you might consider subscribing and also liking the video, commenting what were your issues you had, and if you still continue to click ATM. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.